Start with 4 to 5 rounds of regular Ashtanga A. Warm up your body. Hands together, chin to the chest. Breathing in, hands up. Lengthen your spine. Breathe out, fold forward. Continue on your own, listen to the chants and just relax as you move from one posture to the other. First 2 rounds do very gently, stretching your muscles, and next 3 to 4 rounds you can do a bit fast just to warm up your body. After that we'll continue with our variations. Finish this last round and come to the top of your mat. And then let's begin with our variations. Hands in Namaste. Breathing in, lengthen up, reach up, push your hip forward, arch your back. Breathing out, knees straight, head down. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, jump back. Do a full Chaturanga, elbows touching your hips. Lift your body up, upward facing, and in down dog, you're going to do modified child's pose where you bring your knees to the mat, almost touching the mat, but you don't drop them down. And then you come back to down dog and lift your right hand, touch it to your left ankle. So you're working your lower body by doing modified child's. Bring your knees down, come in down dog, lift your left hand, touch your right ankle, right toes. Modified child, right hand to left. Repeat this with me 4 to 5 times. We are not doing it fast. Take your time. Bend your knees and then lift your hand, touch your ankle or your toes. Working your lower body, your upper body at the same time. Press. As you do modified childs, open up your shoulders, press your hands into the mat. And as you just lift your hand and touch your toes, feel the strength in your other hand. Keep going, do not stop. Going close towards the floor, lift your hand, touch your opposite leg. One more time. It will make you so much more stronger. Breathe in and out, do not hold your breath. Just 2 more times. Bend your knees, back to down dog, touch your hand. Bend your knees, back to down dog, touch your other hand. Last one, go down, down dog, touch your hand. Go down and then touch your other hand. Excellent. Walk your leg forward. Drop your head, hold your elbows and relax your upper body. Stretch the back of your legs. You can sit down on the mat. Now stretch your left leg in front of you. Bend your right knee. Take support of your right hand, place it behind and then cross your elbow. Push yourself, look over your right shoulder, then come back to the center. Repeat this movement 5 times with me. Push, look back, back to the center. Look over your right shoulder, back to the center. Push back. Now while you do this, breathe in, out, squeeze. Each time you go back, try to squeeze a little more, twist a little more. Now hold it there for 3. Use the strength of your left elbow. And 1, back to the center. Now you're going to cross your right arm around your right leg. So try to pull it closer and then bend forward and cross your right arm around from the outside around your leg. Take your time, bend and then twist. Bend at the elbow and place your right hand on your back, almost your lower back. Now taking your left hand, try to reach for your right. It's okay if you're not able to hold your hands, that doesn't matter. If you are able to hold your hands, try to take your nose down, close to your knee and hold the pose. Close your eyes. If you want to use a towel or a napkin to hold with both the hands, or if they are not touching each other, that is also okay. Place them wherever they are. Try to take your head down. Opening up your shoulders, opening up your ribs, and at the same time squeezing your stomach, squeezing your intestines. Slowly bring your head up, look straight. Hold it there for 2-3 seconds. Look straight. See how the shoulders are opening, becoming wider. And then release. Once again, twist back just to relax your spine. Left elbow over your right knee and look back. Look over your right shoulder. Back to the center. Come on your knees and take your legs behind. Jump back, do a chaturanga. Bring your shoulders forward and then lift up. Go back to down dog. And we'll repeat the entire sequence once again. So do a modified child's pose, bringing your knees close to your floor. While you're doing this, press with your arms, press with your shoulders. So it's a stretch and you're bending down. Take your time and then come in down dog and touch your hand to your toes or to your ankle. So let's do this 5 times. Go down, come up. Right hand, down, up, left hand, down, press down, up, right, down, up, left, down, up. Use all your strength. Press your hands into the mat. Up, touch your hand to your toes. Press your toes into the mat. Use your body weight. Do not be in a hurry. Keep pressing. Your entire weight is on your palms and your toes. At the same time, you're using your muscles to strengthen. Press down and then touch. The last time. And then come to a plank pose. Walk your legs forward. Drop your head. Relax your shoulders. Stretch the back of your legs. Knees straight, opening your hamstrings, back of your thighs, And now let's repeat on the other side. The same thing that we did on right. You can sit down, stretch your legs in front of you. Now this time bend your left knee and crossing your right elbow over your left knee, twisting yourself. You're going to look over your shoulder. So first take support of your hand behind, left hand is behind. Now use your right elbow, squeeze and look over your shoulder. Over your left shoulder, back to the center. Look back and look forward. Look back and look forward. Squeeze your navel. Look behind and look straight. Look back and look forward. One last time. Come back to the center. Now with our left hand, bend your body forward. Try to lengthen your hand and then wrap it around your left leg. And then take your right hand behind. It's okay if you're not able to hold, whatever distance it may be, keep it there. Breathe in and out. If you are able to hold your hands, hold and go down, take your head down. Trying to touch your nose to your knee. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. You're getting a nice internal squeeze and the arms, shoulders are opening up. Entire body is engaged. Work on your lungs by breathing in and out. At the same time, relax your neck. Try to drop your head down. And now look straight, right in front of you, look in front of you. Hold it for one more second and then release. Once again twist, relax your spine by twisting back, look over your shoulder, look behind. Take a deep inhale, exhale, relax. Come on your knees, come in tabletop, jump back. Do a chaturanga. Lift up. Down dog. Jump forward. Slowly and gradually work on your muscles. While doing all the postures, keep some awareness where you're feeling the stretch. Finish this round of sun salutation. Head up. Head close to your knees. Breathing in, hands up. Breathing out, namaste. Next round. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, head close to your knees. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, jump back. Chest in between your hands. Push your body weight forward. Lift up. Go back in down dog. Lift your right leg. Place it in between your hands. And now finding your balance, you're going to come up with your upper body. We are going to do cactus pose, cactus hands. So lift your upper body and then come to the center. Do not drop your left heel. Bring your hands parallel, elbows wide apart, and then bend your knee, push your hip down. Now touch your elbows to each other, chin to the chest, bulge your upper back. Breathing in, open your elbows wide apart, pull them down, closer to your hips, look up towards the sky. We did this yesterday, but today it's more challenging because your knee is up. Now open your elbows, pull them down, open your chest, look up towards the sky, squeeze and chin to the chest, elbows together. One more time, open your elbows, open your chest, bring them down, squeeze your shoulder blades, open your shoulder blades. One last time, breathing in, open your chest, look up towards the sky, push your hip down, breathing out, back to the center. Drop your left heel, stretch your hands wide apart. Bend towards your right side. Place your right hand outside of your right feet and hold for 10 seconds. Push your hip down. Your right thigh has to be parallel to the floor. Find your balance. Look up towards your left hand. 8, 7, 6, 5. Breathe in and out. Feel it in your thigh. Keep pressing it down. 3, 2, go closer to the floor. 1. Excellent. Now drop your hand and you'll drop your head on your right knee. If you are easily able to touch your head, try to touch your chin to the right knee. Don't hyper stretch. Keep your knee little soft and stretch the back of your leg. If you want to make some adjustments, do that. You can find your balance and try to take your hands behind, holding your elbows. This will be even more challenging. Engage your legs. Drop your head. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Place your hands down and go in long lunge. Take your knee down. Left knee down. Take your right leg back. Let's repeat the whole thing on the other side. Do a chaturanga. Lift up in upward facing. And go back in down dog. Now that you know the movement, open up little more while you take your hands, elbows apart. Take your left leg up. Place it in between your hands. Do not drop your right heel. Press your right toes into the mat. Finding your balance. Come up. Bend your left knee. Push your hips down. Now elbows together. Join your elbows. Chin to the chest. Breathing in. Open your elbows wide apart. Pull them down. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Lift your chest up. Let's repeat. Elbows together. And then open your elbows. Squeeze. Push your heart up towards the sky. Look up towards the sky. Elbows together. While you open your elbows, you have to go down a little bit. Push your hip down. Look up towards the sky. Open and close. And one last time. Bring your elbows apart. Lift your chest. Open up. And bring your elbows together. Stretch your hands wide apart. Bend your knee. Push your pelvic down, hip down. Drop your left hand outside in front of your left foot. Take your right hand up, parallel, elbow straight in one line, shoulders in one line. Now bring your hip down as much as you can down, push down. Thighs parallel to the floor. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop your hands. Legs in between your hands. Take your head close to your knee. If you can touch your nose, try to touch your chin. Relaxing in the posture. If you are able to find your balance, take your hands behind. Hold your elbows and try to go down. There's a squeeze and a stretch. Bring your hands down. Come down in long lunge. Press your body down. Take your left leg back. Do a chaturanga. And lift yourself up. Deep inhale, exhale. Go back in down dog. Let's jump forward, bend both the knees and jump in between your hands. Head up, head close to your knees. Breathing in, hands up. Breathing out, Namaste. Quickly move on to 4 to 5 rounds of Ashtanga A. Let's get our energy and heart rate up. So do 4 more rounds and then we are going to do one advanced asana today. If you want, you can do 5 to 6 rounds. Just make sure your heart rate is up and you're sweating and your energy level is up as well before we move on to our advanced posture. So finish round 1. Start with round 2. Finish this round and then next one we'll do it together with the variation. So come to the top of your mat. Take a long deep inhale and exhale. Hands in Namaste. Breathing in, hands up. Breathe out, fold forward. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, jump back. Full Chaturanga. Lift up. Down dog. And walk your leg forward. You can bring your right leg, then your left leg. Slowly slide your way up and we'll do the Garudasana, eagle pose. It's a balancing pose, gap between both the legs. Shift your weight towards the left and cross your right leg over your left knee. Now you're not just crossing but you're trying to touch your toes. Place your toes on your left calf muscle. While you do this, bend your left knee and try to go down. So take your time to understand the posture. You're not just crossing your leg over your left, but you are touching your toes, turning your toes and touching it to your left calf muscle. Bend your left knee and try to push your hip down. Find your balance. Focus on a point. Find your balance. Join your hands in the center of your chest. This is level 1. If you want to go for next level, you're going to do similar thing with your arms, with your hands. So your right hand, take your hands wide apart and then take your right hand over your left. Just cross them over each other so that your left fingers are placed on your right palm. Now that we know the posture, let's do it together. Lift your right leg, cross it over your left. Now if you're not able to touch your toes and place them behind your calf, it's okay. Just bend and cross it over your left. Bend your knees, bring your arms, cross your right over your left. Place your fingers on your right and then lift your chest up. Do not bend forward. Lift your chest up, push your hip back. Push your hip back, go down, bend your knee. Hold the pose for 3. Bend your knee, push your hip down, back straight. 2. Lift your chest, try to bring your chest. 1 and release. Relax. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Let's repeat on the other side. Shift your weight on your right leg. Bend, lift your left leg, cross it over your right. Before you start bending your knee, first cross it. Place your toes on your calf muscle. It's okay if you're not able to reach your calf. You can keep your leg hanging. But try to place your toes behind your calf muscle and then start bending. Find your balance before you work your arms. Now this time left hand is going over your right. Lift your elbows up. Hands are exactly in front of your face. Bend your knee at the same time. Try to straighten that spine. Holding for 3, 2, find your balance, and 1. Back to the center. If you feel you want to repeat, pause the video and try the pose once again. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Drop your head. Jump back or walk back. Do a full chaturanga. Lift up and go back in down dog. Take 3 long deep breaths here before you drop your knees. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees, sit on your heels, ready for Bhastrika. Round 1, 20 breaths. Make a loose fist, take a normal breath in and breathe out. For Bhastrika, breathe in, 1, in, 2. Finish 18 more with force and enthusiasm. And in, out. Relax your hands, breathe in. Apply the locks. Make a fist, squeeze your anal muscle, contract your stomach, chin to the chest. Hold the breath inside for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Relax your breath. Ready for round 2. Make a loose fist. Take a normal breath in. Empty your lungs. Start Bhastrika. Breathe in. 1. In. 2. In. 3. Continue on your own. Finish 15 more. After you finish 15, apply the bandhas, the locks. In, out. Last one. And relax your arms. Breathe in and hold. 8, 7, 6, 5. Contract your body. 3, 2, 1. And release. Last round, you can finish on your own. Apply the bandha for at least 10 to 15 seconds. After that, you can sit for meditation for 3 to 4 minutes. or you can stretch your legs and lie down. Start with Bhastrika. In 1, in 2, 18 more. And last one, in, out. Apply the locks for 10 seconds. And you may release, sit comfortably. Before we sit and meditate, let's activate more solar energy in our body by doing Surya Bheda Pranayam. We'll do 8 to 10 rounds. Breathing in with your right, breathe out with your left. In with your right, out with your left. Now, while you're breathing, it is a very slow and long breath. So take your time, keep your eyes closed. Try to breathe with my count. Breathe in, 2, 3, hold at the top. Breathe out through your left. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in right. 2, 3, hold. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. 3 more rounds. Breathe in. 2, 3, hold. Breathe out. 2, 3. If you can do it longer than this, try to lengthen your breath. The slower it is, more effective it will be. You'll feel very, very fresh after you finish this. In, 2, 3, hold. And like in circular way, let the breath move from one side to the other, one side to the other, making circles. One last round. And you can relax your hands. If you want, sit with your eyes closed, listen to the music. If you feel you have back pain, you're feeling discomfort, you can stretch your legs and lie down. But make sure you take 3-4 minutes to relax, calm your body down, connect with yourself. Done so much work with your body, with your breath. Now time to look at our mind. So do not be in a hurry to get up. Shavasana is one of the most important asana. If you're lying down, if you're doing meditation, that is going to have even more effects. So listen to the music and enjoy the music. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Like all the souls you send here, coming to this earth to find healing. Mother Earth takes in the rain, like your heart takes my voice. Let us free each other with our